Right. Good morning, dear all. The first experiment we are going to do for the BEEE is verification of Ohm's law and Kirchhoff's law. Before doing that experiment, we are going to discuss about what are the apparatus required to do a particular experiment. First, whatever may be the electrical experiment or electronic circuit, we are using the breadboard. So, this is the breadboard. So, this is a workspace area in which we are going to construct our circuit, verification circuit. If you see the back side of the breadboard, it is looking like that. What is the meaning for this? Right. If you see here, there are four sections are available in the breadboard. First section, second section, third section and fourth section. The first section and fourth section, the connection will be having in a horizontal manner. Whereas, so if you see this, a continuity is here. It is made up of a soldering iron, right? So the continuation is available here, right? Suppose if you are having this and this section, the continuity is available in the vertical manner. If you see here, the vertical connections are there. But if there is no connection between the second and the third layer. So if you want to make a connection between this 5 holes with this 5 holes, if you want to make a continuity, you have to use the wire like this. By making this, we have to make a connection, right? Similarly, if you see the upper part, this 5 sections having a continuous one, this 5 section has a different one. So 4 continuous sections are available in the first segment. This is one, this is second segment, this is third segment, this is fourth segment. If you want to make this entire upper section is one and the same, thus that can be done by inserting the wire like this. This is the way we have to make a continuation, right? So how this breadboard will be utilized? For example, so this is a resistor we are going to use for a Ohm's and Kirchhoff's law verification. Suppose I want to make the resistors in series. In a breadboard, how you will make it? For example, so using any this or this section we can use. Let us assume I am using the second segment. So here I am inserting the one terminal of the resistor here. The other terminal is somewhere here. Suppose I want to make a series of 2 resistors. How you will connect? You have to connect this here. This is having a continuation one. So you have to insert the terminal in any this point or this point, and you have to connect somewhere else the second terminal. In this manner, the resistors are connected in series in the breadboard. Suppose I want to make the resistors which are connected in parallel. For that purpose, how we will be utilized? So parallel means the 2 resistors, one terminal are one and the same point connected to the same point, and other terminal are connected to one and the same point. So if we don't use like this, suppose if this is same point, suppose I will connect this and this. This is an error one. This is an error one. Since there is no connection between these 2 points. So to make a 2 resistor connector, either you are using the upper segment or lower vertical segment. So see this here. To make a parallel connection, I have to use the terminal should be inserted here, and the other terminal should be inserted in the same any 4 point in which the first resistor will be inserted. So this is the way the breadboard is used for making a circuit.